How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 71 Nova SS 350. This car's had a complete restoration, absolutely rock solid, all original panel car, very clean, done in a gorgeous orange metallic. All the bumpers, the grill chrome, the grill just like new. Absolutely gorgeous. Got the SS louvers on the hood there. Car's real straight, slick, flat down the sides. I tell you, with the black vinyl top and the black interior, just tough looking car. It's got the SS factory style wheel on it. Just a super nice car. It's hard to find them this nice, especially in a Nova. And all the panel fitment, everything's very nice. Rear bumpers all been replated. The SS tail panel looks to be an original, but excellent condition. See how straight the car's down the sides. All the trim around the doors there. Aluminum trim is all really nice condition. Now they did a GM Performance Crate aluminum headed 350. I believe it's 370 horse. It's got the serpentine pulley kit on it. It's all GM components. All the 100 amp alternator. It's got your power steering. It's got power disc brakes. It's got a Demon 4-barrel carb on it. Tell you, the paint work on this car is just gorgeous. Show quality. All the jams and everything are very nice. All the interior's been redone. It's all new. Got the factory sport wheel in it. Got in-dash tach there. Pretty rare. All the headliners really nice, tight. Got all your deluxe front and rear seat belts. Just very tastefully done. It's got a matching spare. Got the factory jack and everything still all in the car. Vinyl top, excellent shape. It's all new. Very nice job putting it on. They did a AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the dash. Got a pair of gauges there under the dash. All the dash pad, everything's excellent shape. Very nice. Got seat belts for 6-passenger. Yeah, nice little 350, aluminum headed, backed up with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got a 10-bolt posi rear. parking lights on the side all work. Super, super nice car, guys. Looks like we might have a backup light out there. We'll get that taken care of. Good sound, dual exhaust all the way out the back. It's all 2.5-inch mandrel bent headers. You can check our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Gorgeous car. Have a great day, folks.